A cannon shell is fired straight up from the ground at an initial speed of 225 meters per second. After how much time is the shell at a height of 6.20 cross 10 raised to power 2 meter above the ground and moving downward? There are 5 options given. From the statement, we have written given data as initial speed Vi equals 225 meter per second in the upward direction. Vertical height is 6.20 cross 10 raised to power 2 meter, that is equal to 620 meter, and time taken by the shell is to be determined. When the shell is fired from the cannon, initially the direction of its velocity is upward. At the highest point, its velocity becomes 0. After this, the shell moves downward, so this is the direction of its final velocity. To determine the time taken, we have the formula Vf equals Vi plus Gt. From this formula, we get T equals Vf minus Vi divided by G. From this formula, we can get T if Vf, Vi and G are given. But in the given data, only Vi is given. So we have to find first Vf. To determine the value of Vf, we have the formula 2Gy equals Vf square minus Vi square. This becomes Vf square equals 2Gy plus Vi square. By putting the values, we get Vf square equals 2, G is minus 9.8 because its direction is downward, Y is equal to 620 meter, this one, plus Vi square, Vi is 225 meter per second. On solving this, we get Vf square equals 38473, and by taking the square root, we get Vf equals 196.1 meter per second in the downward direction. As it is opposite to the initial velocity, so we can write it Vf equals minus 196.1 meter per second. Now this is the value of Vf. Putting the values in this formula, we get T equals minus 196.1 minus 225 for Vi and minus 9.8 for G. The answer becomes T equals 43.0 seconds. So in the given options, option E is correct.